Welcome to Bright Beginnings at Home, where little minds shine and big adventures start. I'm so glad you're here. Today's spotlight letter is H. H is for house. Houses are where we live and call home. They come in all shapes, sizes, and colors. Some houses even have secret rooms. H is for hippo. Hippos are huge and love to splash in water. They spend a lot of time cooling off in rivers and lakes. H is for hospital. Hospitals are special places where doctors and nurses help people get better when they're sick or hurt. H is for hamburger. Hamburgers are tasty treats. They're made with yummy patties and can be topped with cheese, lettuce, tomatoes, and more. H is for helicopter. Helicopters are cool flying machines that can take off straight up into the sky because of their spinning blades. What is your favorite H word? Let's trace the letter H. First, place your finger on the number 1 and move your finger down. Next, place your finger on the number 2 and move your finger down. Place your finger on the number 3, then move across to connect the lines.
Hooray!
You did it! You can pause the video and practice as many times as you like. Parents use this guide to help teach your child to write the uppercase G with pencil and paper. Happy writing! See you next time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.